Good morning, students. Today we are going to start your book exercise in your chapter number 1. Today in your English class, we will study about your chapter 1, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. It's book exercise. So those students who have taken their books, so take out, and those who has not any book, they will also do their work in their notebook. So today we are going to start book exercise. So let's start with me. Your book exercise will start on your page number 6. Left side on your page, bottom side you can check it. Page number 6. Its first question is A. Tick the correct option. And fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks. So first is the bird were flying south for.
नीचे राग में पढ़ा रही ले जान बाहर
South for blank. So in your book you are getting 4 options, just like that. First is spring, second is winter, third is autumn, and fourth is summer. Okay, so which one option is correct here? The bird were flying south for. Its answer is winter, because here we are getting 4 preposition used as reason. So winter. Next is the little bird could not fly because he could not fly because he, it's also option for, was sleepy. Second is didn't want to go. Third is had broken his wing. And fourth is was lazy. So correct answer is here, had broken his wing. You will do just like ticking in your book. Next is on your page number 7. Its third question. The little bird thought that the oak might be blank than the bus tree. The little bird thought that the oak might be blank than the bus tree. Option is, first is friendlier. Second is stronger. Third is warmer. And fourth is angrier. So which one is correct option here? Second one, stronger. The little bird thought that the oak might be stronger than the birch tree. Next is question number 4. It is, the oak did not let the bird stay because the oak did not let the bird stay because he blank. So its first option is, did not want to share his acorns. Second is, like stranger. Like stranger. Third is, had other bird to look after. Had other bird to look after. And fourth is, did not like the little bird. Did not like the little bird. So which one is correct answer here? Its correct answer is first one. The oak did not let the bird stay because he did not want to share his acorns. Next is, it's A part, last question. Question number 5. Frost King punished the blank. Frost King punished the blank. First is, trees in the forest. Second is, spruce, pine and juniper. Third is, birch, oak and willow. Birch, oak and willow. And fourth is, little bird. So here, students, which one is correct? The Frost King punished the blank. Tree in the forest, spruce, pine and juniper, birch, oak and willow. So which one is correct? Birch, oak and willow. So in this page, your exercise is finished. So next, you will start on your page number 9. Match each phrasal verb with its meaning. In this exercise, you will do 1 to 6. You have given here phrasal verb 1 to 6 number, and here its meaning. First phrasal verb is, firstly you have to know very well what is phrasal verb. You all know very well about verbs. Okay, I already tell you in your last video in your grammar section what is verbs. So what is phrasal verb? That has already mentioned on your in your book on your page number 8. A phrasal verb is a phrase made up of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. Means as a verb and preposition, means always come with verb preposition. It's known as phrasal verbs. And its meaning also different from its actual meaning. So here you will match each phrasal verb with its meaning. So let's start. I hope you have already not all the exercise. Now next is on your page number 9. So you can make this column just like that. So what will you do, students, here? Don't match these verbs with its meaning. How you will do? You will do its number. Don't make any arrow mark, just like that. This side is meaning. That has already mentioned in your book. So first phrasal verb is take after. And here given A, to confess. Second is give in. Here B, to faint. Third is break into. C, to escape. Next is fourth, blackout. To look like someone. To look like someone. Next is fifth, get away. To enter by force. Next is on up. To escape, to accept something. It's fifth, to accept something. So what will you do, students, now in your book? You will match each phrasal verb with its meaning. But how you will match? For example, you are getting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 to 6 number. So which one is its meaning? These in front of you will write here number. Don't do any arrow marks. Okay. So first is take after. Its meaning is to look like someone. So where you are getting to look like someone? It's B part. Here you will mention just like A. 1. Okay, in B part you will mention 1. Second is give in. Give in means to accept something. Second answer is here. Its meaning. Next is break into. Its answer is to enter by force. Third. Next is blackout. It means to faint. Fourth number. Next is get away. 5 number here. So get away you will match with to escape. C. Next is remaining last one is on now. So you will match with what is left over? To confess. So this exercise also done in your book on your page number 9. So what will you do? Now next exercise in grammar sections. Now you know very well about noun. What is noun? All naming words are known as noun. And it's those who has having book, they students also can see in their book easily. Their kinds also given here. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, okay, concrete noun also. So you can check upper side and you can easily take underline downside in your questions. So first question is, I am going to read, you can also follow with me. Read the passage and underline the different kinds of noun. So those who has book, they will do only underline. And those who has not any book, what they will do? They will do that work in their notebook. So let's start. First is, now these questions, read the passage and underline the different kinds of noun. How you will do? You are getting here lines in your book. For example, when the hills were alive with the sound of music. So these are 11th line here. I am mentioned here numbering 1 to 11. So how you will do? And each lines you are getting some nouns. So you will do. Just for example here, when the hills were alive with the sound of music, Martha was filled with happiness. So in first number lines you are getting here noun hills, music, Martha. So you will do underline in your book. In second number line you are getting here happiness, mother, grove of trees and lake. Those words you are getting here 1 to 11 line number, same as you have to do in your book. So thank you students. Today our this exercise is finished. In next video we will do next exercises.